In today's session, we are going to learn about what quadratic equations are, and we'll try to identify the given equation is quadratic or not. Hi, I am Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is, check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So we have x minus of 3, 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. So if you want to show that this given equation is a quadratic equation, you have to express this given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, provided that the value of a is not equals to 0. So let us try to simplify this one and try to express in this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So since you are having x minus of 3 times of 2x plus 1, first let me multiply this x with this whole 2x plus 1. So x is being multiplied by 2x plus 1, and further we multiply this minus of 3 with this whole 2x plus 1. So this minus of 3 is being multiplied by 2x plus 1 and equals to, on the right hand side, let us try to multiply this x with x. So x times of x will be x square. Then again multiply this x with 5. So if x is being multiplied by 5, you will be getting plus sign is there. So write down plus sign. So this 5 times of x will be 5x. Further, let us try to simplify this left hand side value. We will try to multiply this x with this 2x. So what we get, x into x will be x square along with this constant 2. So we will be getting 2x square. And again let us try to multiply this x with 1. X times of 1 will be how much? X itself. So plus sign is there. I'll write down plus. X into 1 will be x. So this multiplication is complete. Let us move on to this one. So we have minus of 3. Let us try to multiply this minus of 3 with 2x. So since you are having minus and this is plus 2x, so minus into plus will be how much? Minus into plus will be minus. So you are having 3 times of 2, so 3 times of 2 will be 6, and you have x, so minus 6x you get. Or further, let us try to multiply this one. Minus 3 is being multiplied by plus 1. So what do you get? Minus of plus you are having. Minus of plus is what? Minus. Then you have 3 times of 1. So 3 times of 1 will be 3. So left hand side simplification is complete. Is equals to, on the right hand side, let us write down the value as it is: x square plus 5 times of x. Now let us take the right hand side value on the left hand side and rewrite this as 2x square. And I'll take this plus x square on this side. This plus x square will become minus of x square. I'm just trying to group the x square values together. So x square I'm writing it first over here. Then remaining values plus x minus of 6x, I'll write it as it is. Both are x values. You are having one more x value over here. Plus 5x, when it comes on this side, what it becomes? Minus of 5x. And here you are left out with minus of 3. Minus of 3 is equals to 0. Now let us further simplify this one. We can group the like terms. 2x square minus x square. It is 2x square minus of x square. Minus of x square means minus of 1x square. It is just normal subtraction. 2 minus 1 will be what? 2 minus 1 will be 1, and this x square. So 1 times of x square will be getting. 2x square minus x square will be how much? 1 times of x square, or 1 times x square can be just written as x square. Let us further group this one. Plus x minus of 6x. So you are having plus 1 times of x minus 6 times of x. So it is just 1 minus of 6. What is 1 minus of 6? 1 minus of 6 will be minus of 5, and this x will remain as it is. It is minus of 5x. So we will get minus of 5x. And this minus 5x, I will keep it as it is. In the next step, I will try to simplify this one. And this minus of 3 as it is equals to 0. Let us try to further simplify this one, because this is the like term that you are having. Minus 5x minus 5x. So you are having minus 5x minus 5x. So minus 5 minus 10, minus 5 minus 5 will be minus of 10, and this x will be as it is. So it is minus 10x, right? So therefore we get x square minus 5x is minus of 10x. And this minus of 3 will remain as it is, and that is equals to 0. So now let us try to check whether this given equation is in this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So it is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So if you try to compare, the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x square is 1, right? So a value is 1 here. The coefficient of x over here is b, b value is how much? Minus of 10. And here c value, what is c value? C value will be minus of 3. So therefore we have expressed this given equation in the quadratic equation form. So therefore what can we conclude? This given equation is a quadratic equation. So hence we can conclude, hence x minus of 3 times of 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5 is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation. So we have expressed the given equation as a quadratic equation over here. So that's the required solution. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. For today's session, that's all I have. Thank you.